What if inflation secretly stole your hard-earned savings today? Most families face higher costs for food and housing now. You deserve to learn simple tools for better money control. Personal finance helps you live a happier and freer life. We will cover inflation survival, budgeting, and debt tips now. Inflation means prices of everyday items go up over time. Your dollar buys less stuff as inflation rises even higher. Think about your groceries costing more each year without warning. Gas prices increase and make your commute more expensive daily. Rent and utilities also rise, making life harder for everyone. Inflation hurts your savings by reducing their buying power later. You notice inflation when your favorite snacks cost extra money. Everyday Americans see this in their monthly bills rising fast. Surviving inflation requires smart choices with your limited income now. Start by tracking every dollar you spend each single day. Write down all your expenses in a simple notebook always. This habit helps you see where your money really goes. Cut unnecessary spending like daily coffee to save more cash. Shop for groceries with a list to avoid impulse buys. Buy generic brands instead of name brands to save money. A good budget divides your income into needs, wants, and savings. Needs include rent, food, and transportation costs every single month. Wants are fun things like eating out or new clothes. Savings help you prepare for unexpected problems in the future. Try to save 20% of your income every month. This rule keeps your finances balanced and stress-free, always. High-yield savings accounts make your money work harder now. They pay higher interest rates than traditional bank accounts do. You can find these accounts at many online banks easily. Your emergency fund grows faster in a high-yield account. Open one to earn more on your saved money safely. Compare rates before you choose the best high-yield option. Many online banks offer these accounts with no monthly fees. Your money stays safe with government insurance up to limits. Debt management starts with listing all your current debts first. Credit cards often have the highest interest rates around now. Pay off high-interest debt first to save lots of money. This strategy reduces the total interest you pay over time. Make minimum payments on all debts to avoid late fees. Extra money should go toward your most expensive debt, always. Student loans can be good debt if managed properly now. Car loans help you get to work when used wisely, always. Avoid new credit card debt to keep your budget healthy. Snowball method pays small debts first for quick motivation wins. Avalanche method saves the most money over many years ahead. Call your lenders to negotiate lower interest rates today. Create a written plan and follow it every single month. Track your progress monthly to stay motivated and focused always. Celebrate small wins like paying off one debt completely now. Inflation survival gets easier when you combine budgeting and savings. High-yield accounts protect your cash against rising prices effectively. Build 3 months of expenses in your emergency fund first. Add more savings until you reach 6 months of expenses safely. Everyday Americans use these accounts to grow money steadily now. Switch banks if your current one pays almost no interest. Read the fine print before opening any new savings account. Automatic transfers make saving money easy and consistent always. Review your budget every month to make needed adjustments quickly. Small daily changes create big improvements in your finances later. You control your money instead of letting money control you. Think about your future self enjoying financial peace and freedom. Groceries and gas examples show why tracking spending matters now. Rent increases happen, but smart budgeting softens the impact, always. Coffee runs add up fast, so brew at home instead, daily. Generic medicine and household items save money without losing quality. High-yield savings turn your emergency fund into a growing asset. Debt feels lighter when you see the end of payments coming. Interest compounds against you on credit cards, so pay fast. Good debt builds assets, while bad debt drains your wallet. Mortgage payments can build equity if you stay in the home. Avoid payday loans because they charge extremely high interest rates. Balance transfers can lower your interest for a limited time. Budgeting apps help you track spending right on your phone. Talk with your family about money goals every single week. Teach your kids simple saving habits from an early age. Inflation survival means adjusting your lifestyle without feeling deprived. High-yield accounts are available to anyone with basic identification. Debt management gives you more choices and less stress daily. Start small today and build powerful habits over many months. Your confidence grows as your bank balance increases steadily now. Everyday examples prove these steps work for regular working people. A single parent can budget successfully with careful planning always. Young adults benefit most from starting high-yield accounts early. Retirees protect their savings by fighting inflation with smart tools. Unexpected car repairs become manageable with an emergency fund ready. Medical bills feel less scary when you have savings set aside. Job loss hits softer if you prepared with extra cash saved. Credit score improves when you pay all bills on time. Avoid maxing out credit cards to keep your score healthy. Financial freedom means sleeping better without money worries at night. Summarize your plan on one page and keep it visible. Check your progress every 3 months and adjust as needed. Inflation will always exist, so prepare your budget accordingly now. High-yield savings accounts help you outpace inflation over time. Debt freedom opens doors to better opportunities and experiences ahead. You have everything needed to succeed with simple, consistent steps. Start your high-yield account application before the end of today. List your debts on paper and rank them by interest rate. Commit to one extra payment each month toward your debt. Reward yourself with free activities after reaching savings milestones. Share success stories with friends to stay motivated together. Remember, small, consistent actions create massive results over years. Your money story changes when you take control right now. Budgeting turns confusion into clarity and power over your life. Inflation survival becomes second nature after practicing these habits. High-yield accounts require almost no effort once set up properly. Debt management brings peace and opens new possibilities daily. Everyday American families improve their lives using these exact steps. You are capable of building real wealth starting this month. Track your net worth monthly to see real progress clearly. Cut one subscription you rarely use to free up cash now. Cook meals at home instead of ordering takeout often. Walk or bike instead of driving when possible to save gas. Negotiate your cable or internet bill for lower monthly rates. Sell unused items online to boost your savings quickly. Automate all bill payments so you never miss any due dates. Read one finance article each week to keep learning more. Join free online communities for budgeting tips and support. Visualize your debt-free life to stay focused every day. High-yield savings grow while you sleep and work normally. Emergency fund protects your family during tough, unexpected times. Pay yourself first by saving before spending on anything else. Debt Snowball gives quick wins that keep you excited to continue. Interest saved on paid debt feels like earning extra income. Review your insurance policies annually to possibly lower premiums. Buy used cars instead of new ones to avoid depreciation loss. Meal prep on weekends to control food costs all week. Use cash for daily spending to feel the money leaving. Set realistic goals and celebrate every milestone you reach. Inflation cannot stop you when your plan is strong enough. High-yield accounts are simple, safe tools available right now. Debt management turns overwhelming burdens into manageable steps forward. Budgeting creates freedom to enjoy life without constant worry. You deserve financial security and peace in your daily life. Start today and watch your confidence and savings both grow.
Consistent effort beats perfect plans every single time, always. Share this knowledge with loved ones to help them too. Your future is brighter when you act on these lessons now. Everyday choices shape your long-term financial health steadily. High-yield savings reward patience and smart decision-making. Debt payoff feels amazing once the final payment clears. Budgeting skills last a lifetime and benefit your family. Inflation survival means staying proactive instead of reactive, always. You control the outcome by choosing better habits daily. Emergency funds prevent small problems from becoming big crises. Interest working for you beats interest working against you. Simple changes today create wealthy tomorrows for you. Track everything honestly to make the best decisions possible. Celebrate progress even if it feels small at first. Your money journey begins with one smart step right now. High-yield accounts help fight inflation without extra work. Debt management restores your power and peace of mind. Budgeting turns dreams into achievable financial goals ahead. Inflation affects everyone, but smart people prepare in advance. You can succeed just like many other Americans have. Start opening your high-yield account before this weekend's. Pay one extra debt payment this month and feel the difference. Review your budget tonight and make one positive change. Tell yourself you are capable of excellent money management. Consistent action builds the secure future you truly deserve.
High-yield savings accounts are your ally against rising prices. Debt becomes smaller every time you make extra payments. Budgeting gives you clarity and control over daily spending. Inflation survival skills protect your lifestyle for many years. Everyday examples from real families prove these methods work. Your financial story improves with every smart choice now. Take the first step and momentum will carry you forward. You now understand simple ways to handle inflation, debt, and savings. Start implementing these ideas immediately for fast, positive results. High-yield accounts, debt plans, and budgets work together perfectly. You now know how to survive inflation with complete ease. High-yield savings accounts help build your emergency fund fast. Smart debt management frees you from financial worries forever now. Follow the budgeting steps for a stable money life ahead. Everyday examples show these methods work for regular American people. Start implementing these tips in your life right away today. Your future self will thank you for these wise choices. Subscribe for more videos on simple personal finance topics now. Comment your thoughts and questions in the section below, please. Take action today and enjoy a secure financial life ahead.